Disruptive innovation. Starting from the first combustion engine, we have seen hypergrowth in emerging markets. One of the most recent was technology. Technology has been able to change how everything works in the past years, from business to communications and everyday life. Technology has played a massive role. Now, focusing on the future, there will be new disruptive innovation in the market, but what will they be? Well, an investment firm might know what they will be. You may know them for their huge price target on Tesla. Well, this investment firm is called ARK Invest. ARK Invest, founded by Cathie Wood, is an actively managed fund focused solely on disruptive innovation. With 40 years of experience in the field of innovation, I believe this ETF has tremendous upside potential in the coming years. ARK manages 5 ETFs, all focused on different types of innovation. But for this video, I'll be focusing on their main ETF, ARKK, which has a mix of all their different types of innovation. ARK's different types of disruptive innovation are in technology, financial services, DNA technology, and industrial innovation. So what does this mean? Well, when we look into the future, these different types of markets look very promising. I really do believe these markets will play a major role in our lives. We've already seen the emergence of electric vehicles, digital wallets, video streaming, and DNA sequencing as a part of our lives. And guess what? These markets just begun. So what does ARK even hold? Well, ARK holds around 35 to 55 companies at a time, but for this video, we'll be looking at their top 5. As of this recording, ARK's biggest holding is Tesla, which has a weight of 11.28%. Tesla is well known for their electric vehicles and solar energy. You also probably know them for their incredible growth this year. The stock is currently trading at $1,200. ARK's second biggest holding is Invitae with a weight of 9.33%. Invitae is known for providing affordable and accessible genetic testing for everyone. The stock is trading at $31. ARK's third biggest holding is Square with a weight of 8.22%. Square is a financial service company that helps out small businesses. The stock has been on a tear recently and is trading at $113. ARK's fourth biggest holding is CRISPR Therapeutics with a weight of 5.89%. CRISPR is known for their CRISPR gene editing to help treat cancer, diabetes, and other diseases. The stock is almost at $80. Finally, ARK's fifth biggest holding is Roku with a weight of 5.4%. Roku is well known for the video streaming platform. Roku is trading at $126. ARK is currently up 57% in the past year. From lows of $33 during the coronavirus scare, the ETF is currently trading at $75. Though ARK can be very volatile at times, it does provide high growth. Like any stock, always do your research. When it comes to investing, there's always risk. The more you know about what you're investing in, the better. You'll be able to weigh out your risk and rewards. If you're considering investing in ARK, look at their website and see what it's all about. The nice thing about an actively managed fund like ARK is that you can sign up for emails and see what they're trading every day. I really do believe in Cathie Wood and the ARK Invest team. Everything around us will change dramatically, and guess what? ARK will be one step ahead while other funds will have to catch up. I do believe this ETF will catch many eyes of young investors like me. If you're a young investor or just starting out, it wouldn't be a bad idea to do more research on this fund. It may just pay off in the future. If you made this far, thank you for watching. I know this channel still has a lot of improving to do, but if you want to help out, give it a like and subscribe.